Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we will be learning one of the C# 8.0 new features, default interface method. What is default interface methods? How it differs from earlier interface implementation and how it impacts existing implementation of this interface. Please follow us on Facebook by searching The Academy Coding and Programming and like the page. Now let us understand what is default interface methods. Microsoft documentation says you can now add members to the interface and provide an implementation for those members. What does this mean? First, let us understand this. So, in the picture, you can see there is a interface iEmployee. In the left hand side, before C# 8.0, you can see this iEmployee method contains only the method signature. There are 4 methods and there are no implementation of this method, only method signature. But in C# 8.0, in the right side of the picture, you can see iEmployee contains 4 methods, but one of the method, welcome employee, contains the default implementation or the concrete implementation or the method body. So this welcome employee method is the default interface method because this method is in the interface and it also contains the default implementation, that is the concrete implementation. That's why this method is called default interface method. So before C# 8.0, we were able to add only the method signature in the interface. We were not able to add any concrete implementation or the method body of a method in the interface. But in C# 8.0 and onwards, we can add concrete implementation or the default implementation or the method body in the interface itself. So when an interface contains the method having default implementation or the concrete implementation, in that case, that method is called default interface method. So for the new client, so for example, if employee class implement the iEmployee interface, in that case, employee class can inherit the welcome employee method content or employee class creates its own version of the welcome employee, just overriding the default implementation of the welcome employee method. Now let us understand what it impacts on the existing classes or the existing client that implemented the interface. As per the documentation, existing implementation can inherit the default implementation or it can also create its own version of the default implementation. The most common scenario is to safely add members to an interface already released and used by innumerable clients. That means if an interface is already implemented by the several client or the classes, we can safely add default interface method in that interface. There will be no compilation error. Again, existing clients or the existing classes can inherit the default implementation or those classes can create its own version of the default implementation. So there will be no error in the project if a default interface method is added to an interface which is already implemented by hundreds of clients or classes. So there will be no issue, no compilation error in the project. Now let us try to understand this in the Visual Studio. To explain this new feature, I have created one console application in the Visual Studio. Namespace is C# 8 new features. In this namespace, I have created one interface called iEmployee. It contains 3 methods: add employee, delete employee and the update employee. These are all the method signatures. This does not contain any concrete implementation or the default implementation. Now we will be implementing this iInterface in the employee class, the way we used to implement interface before C# 8.0. So now let us create one class called employee. Now let us implement this interface iEmployee. Now this is giving error because it is asking to implement the interfaces. Now we have 3 different methods that we need to implement in the employee class. Just we are writing some message in this method. Now this employee class already implemented all the method of the iEmployee interface. Now let us create employee object. Emp object dot add employee. Similarly delete employee. Now let us run the project. These are the messages. Now for C# 8.0, let us add an default interface method in the iEmployee interface. Now I have added welcome employee default interface method in the iEmployee interface and there is the implementation of the method. These 3 methods are just method declaration, but welcome employee is the default interface method because it has the concrete implementation or the default implementation. So welcome employee method is the part of iEmployee and now we are not implementing this new default interface method in the employee class. Although employee class inherits or implement the iEmployee interface. Now let us try to build the project if it gives any compilation or build error. Just build a solution. See, build is success. There is no compilation or the build error. So even we did not implement it, this new method in the employee class or the client, there is no build error. So implementation of the default interface method is not necessary in the client or the classes, that is employee class. Now let us try to access the welcome employee method using the employee object. Employee object dot. There is no welcome employee method in the welcome employee object. This is because we have not explicitly implemented the default interface method in our employee class. Now employee class only can inherit the default implementation of the welcome employee method. So how we can access this default implementation method using employee class? This is the way. iEmployee emp is equal to new. Now using this emp reference, we can access all the implemented method of the employee class as well as default interface method from the interface, that is welcome employee method. See, now we can access the welcome employee method here. Now let us build and run the project. See, these are the messages: employee added, employee deleted, employee updated, and welcome to this organization. Now let us implement this default interface method in the employee class. I just need to copy it and paste here. Now let us change the method body. Now access the welcome employee method using the emp object. Now we have welcome employee method here. We can access because we have implemented this welcome employee method in the employee class itself. This implementation is the part of iEmployee interface. This is the part of employee class. Now build and run the project. Now this method is printed. Welcome to this organization from the welcome employee method. This is the part of employee class. Welcome to this organization from the employee method. So this is the default interface method, which is the part of iEmployee interface. We can either implement in the client class or we can just inherit this default implementation in the employee class. If we do not implement this in the employee class, then employee class can access the default interface. Employee class also creates its own version of the default employee method. See, this is the default employee method and employee class created its own version. So I hope you have understood how to use the default interface method, how it impacts the existing clients, and how to use in the new client also. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.